Why does your heart feel like a slot machine, constantly pulling the lever for people who only offer variable rewards? It's because your brain isn't sabotaging you. It's simply performing pattern recognition based on what it has been repeatedly fed. Your brain builds neural pathways through repetition, eventually turning your most frequent experiences into your default emotional state. If you have been conditioned to high-intensity, unpredictable rewards, stable and healthy partners can start to feel emotionally bland or boring. This is a shifted reward threshold, where your brain has adapted to expect massive dopamine spikes from chaos rather than the slow satisfaction of peace. Because your brain naturally prioritizes threats and uncertainty for survival, it can trick you into recognizing chaotic environments as familiar. You can retrain these neural blueprints by building boredom tolerance and choosing slow, rewarding behaviors until they regain their emotional richness. Rewiring requires consistent awareness to interrupt the automatic loop and rebuild your self-trust. Subscribe to protect your attention and build a life you actually control.